Hi guys, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Chinese QQ notification. You might have tried to change the language of QQ from Chinese to other languages, but you are not able to because QQ only supports Chinese language since 2021. That means English version of QQ is not working anymore, so don't waste your time to download QQ International. If you don't need to use Chinese QQ, please subscribe to my channel. I will update more tutorials about Chinese QQ. I have shown you profile settings of Chinese QQ before. Today, I'm gonna show you how to set up a QQ notification. So let's get started. Open Chinese QQ app and then swipe right. Click on 设置 means settings. And then click on 消息通知. 通知 means notifications. And 消息 means message. If you want to get all message notification without missing anyone, then you can simply turn all this on except this one. This one, 勿扰模式 means turn all notification off. If you don't get any notification when the app runs in background, then check here. Make sure this button stay off. And for most of you, make sure turning this on. 新消息通知 means new message notification. Turn this on. You will see the preview message from status bar, like this. And this one, 语音和视频通话提醒 is for voice call and video call notification. You'd better turn it on. Turn on this 通知显示消息预览 for preview message. Those are the QQ message rings. If you want it to be silent, turn this off. Sometimes the group chatting could be annoying. You can turn off the group chat ring here, and group chat vibrate in silent mode here. Turn this on to get the message notification along with vibration. But if you want to set a group chat notification, then you can check here and here. Turn this on, you will see how many unread messages on QQ app. Like this. If you install QQ on your PC, then you should turn this on. Your account will log in automatically on your phone when you log out on PC. Now you can set up group chat notifications separately here. 接收消息并提醒 receive message and notify you. 接收消息但不提醒 receive message without notifying you. 收进群助手且不提醒 silence mode without any notification but still receive messages. And 屏蔽群消息 block group message. You won't receive any messages. Besides, if you want the QQ icon always shown on the status bar like this, then you need to go back to settings and click on General, 通用. Turn this on. If you turn it off, it will disappear. Okay, this is the basic QQ notification settings. Besides, you can change notification for specific friend or group. I will show you in another video. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials.